Morning guys!
Hi guys!
We're here at the airport. Today is January 22, Sunday.
And we're gonna pick up Naina and Tita Eloisa.
Yay! Are you excited? Yes, Naina! Hi to the vlogs! Hi vlogs! We're not just vlogs!
The elevator.
It's okay, we're gonna wait. So ayun guys, pick up namin sila Nainay and Tita Loy. Ayan, excited na mga kids.
Kuya, dili mag-inanak, kuya.
Guys, kita kids, update natin sila mamaya. Hi, bye-bye.
Bye.
We'll see you.
Hey guys, so dito na kami sa international arrival. Ayan dito. See? So check natin yung flight nila Nainay at Tita Loy sa pinakataas, Manila flight. So as you can see, 11:20. Hindi siya delay, no? So good. Tara, punta tayo doon. Let's go. Come on. Ganing. Dragon, welcome to the Dragon. May picture pa dito niya. Dragon. Welcome to the Dragon. Ayan guys, ninja. Ninja ko. Ayan guys, the big dragon. Kaya, the big dragon there. Big dragon. Say hi.
Hi.
We're here in the...
We're here in the
What? What that?
Skydeck.
Skydeck. Ayan. Checking the airplanes arrival. Ayan o. Hi guys o. Check natin guys kung andyan na ba ang airplane nila Nainay and Tita Loy. And Baning. Baning is here. Ning ning. Mama. Hi. Guys, oh, white guy guys, ang airport guys. Ayan. So, update natin later. Waiting kami, 11:20 pa yung arrival. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba guys? Ayan na. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Nina-chan!
Hello.
Hey! Uy! Nina-chan! Hey! 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 Say hi! Hi! Hello! 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 Uy! Kiat! Dali! Dali! Hi! Hey! Nina-chan! Hello! Hello! Dali! Dali! It's Agos! Agos! Come here! Mama, there's something wrong in your car. I think that's the airplane, guys. Ayan o. I'm not sure about it, but maybe that's it. Oh yeah, that's it, that's it. It's a pal.
What if the runner will run?
Oh, it's not. Ayan, check natin yung airplane ni Nainay. Maybe that's it, kuya. The Philippine Airlines. Yeah, we're waiting and we're going to take a video of it.
Where's it?
I think this is the plane na.
I see it.
And guys, so check natin guys. Are you excited?
Little one.
I don't know.
No.
Ayan, guys, waiting. Waiting, Nainay. Dugay ka na sa graduation. Kuhaan ka na. Waiting, Nainay. Yes, Nainay. Guys, wait lang ta guys, ha? Stand up. Kiri pa. Board na si Nina. Waiting for Nainay and Tita Loy. Board na. Board na, Nining. Hi, Nainay. Hi, Nainay. So, ayan guys, no? Waiting na. Precaution ta. Wear mask. Ayan guys. We're not safe here.
We're waiting for Nana.
Yeah.
Nana's almost here. So there's the exit. And Buzzy there. Let's open it back.
Let's check if it's them.
Someone got out.
You hug them, okay? Where's...
It's not.
Ayan na guys. Di niya alam. Sila sa kaila guys. What's that kaya? What's that? Sila sa kaila guys. Wala sa kaila.
Halo, para kami ka di sa halo, kami ka di sa ipe.
Okay na.
Kira. Napos muli dito na iwit kay first time siya sa Japan.
What did I like?
There.
Ito license
There.
Where are you crying?
Dito ta. Go there. Sila guys. Wala na sila, oh. Bantay ang bagay, ha. Bantay sa ilang bagay. Diri ka. Okay, dito eh. Guys. Wala guys, tita lang. Hug tita lang. Come on. Hug tita lang.
So tired. We're so tired.
Ayan na. Tara, let's go to Tita Jen. Go, puta tayo. Tara.
Let's go. Uy.
Okay na. Tara, let's go. Punta tayo. Picture muna tayo para magantig Japanese. Ayan sila guys, oh. May tulog, no? Mama, nana, Tita Loy, oh.
Lisod ang connecting kayo mitulog.
Nansamang ka? Gutom na ka. Ayan guys, oh. Finally! Dito na sila guys. Ayan.
Back here guys.
Yan yung mga luggage. Back. Japayuki. Mga Japayuki. Ayan mga Japayuki. Ayan guys, luggage. Ito sa Kuruma na ito guys. Kaya na ito guys. Guys. Bye. Kagas-gas tag Kuruma na. Guys. Ayan. Waiting sila guys. Oh, bahala. Magulat na sila.